Welcome to the GuideUp YouTube channel. Today for this video of GuideUp, I will be showing you how to post picture on Pinterest. So for that, open the Pinterest application. After that, you need to get logged in into the account. Now that you have been logged in into the account, you tap on the plus icon in the middle of your screen. On the bottom, tap that. From there, you will have the option to create a pin or a board. So board is basically where you collaborate or you add different pictures as one, whereas pin is posting a particular picture. So we're gonna go with the pin process for this one. Tap on pin, and from here you can choose the picture that you want to post. Choose the picture and then tap on next. Now you need to give a title. I'm just gonna go with the random details. Then you type in the description over here, and then if you have a website, you can tap it on the destination website. Once you fill in all the details, you tap on next, and then you will need to choose a board on where you want to post this one. You can tap on the board that you already have, or you can create a new one. So I'm just gonna give a random one over here, then tap on create. And with that, a board will be created with the picture that you have just uploaded. There you can see. So board is basically the collaboration of the pin that you have on Pinterest. So this is how you can post a picture on Pinterest. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe GuideUp YouTube channel. Thank you.